So OBD port location on a Ford Kuga. So just underneath the steering wheel to the side as well, underneath the light switches, there's a plastic panel there. Use a small screwdriver to pry it open and it's just behind there. So this tool now, it just plugs into that OBD port, which is supposed to be same on all cars then. It's quite good really. And it automatically looks up what the serial number, etc. details of car is, and you have to confirm it's that car. And then it will scan for the codes. After you look at codes, you can clear the codes. I think we found a problem, so I'm just scanned it again for the error codes again, same in the DPF block then. So I'll delete those now then. Clear code. I'll scan again and then I'll go back and do the Regen. Go to home, reset, DPF. It's okay. Oops. Then you have to select what car you have. Ford. Switch it on. Switch ignition on. Oh, yeah. So is that correct? Yes. So it loads that up. Static regen. Engine off, I think. Yeah. Switch it off. Tells you different things. I need to open the bonnet now. So I've opened the bonnet just to get more air in it. Now we have to start the engine. Tells you I've driven it so it's hot enough. See, it's 82 and it's between 67 and 100 supposed to be, so I can go straight into it. Don't want to touch anything. So here's the fuel vapor valve, goes in the exhaust before the DPF. You see it's absolutely blocked up with soot, that hole there. So this is supposed to, a diesel pipe goes in there. It's supposed to inject diesel into the exhaust and it burns up in the DPF, getting rid of the soot, you know, this is like the regen thing then. So yeah, it's blocked up. So we changed that, but it still won't regenerate. It's probably too blocked now because it looks like it hasn't worked for a while. So we bought some DPF cleaner now to I need to take it off. So we've been recommended this. So we bought some of that stuff. We're taking it off. We got two sensors at front and middle one quite easily, but the last one, we're 13mm, we had quite a job to get it off. Had to take it off the car and sort of have enough cable just to get it out of it better, but we finally got it off with more grip and hitting around it. So I've blanked off a pipe basically that goes off to the sensor of the DPF to say it's blocked then. Put a glove over it and tied up. So you flip it up, and I've got a tin then, and I've put a spout, well, bent it so it's spout on it, and use it to fill up through that sensor hole in. So it's about half full now, and I'll leave it like this to soak for a couple of hours, then I'll flip it over the other way to get it to soak the other half then. And maybe leave it overnight and pressure wash it through from the back to front to get it all out and clean in. Okay. A couple of people have said they do it on the car, take a sensor out and fill it up with that stuff, well, halfway until it comes out, and then we'll leave it for a while and start it up and blast it out. But I only borrow the machine that does the codes, so I'm going to do a good job of it now, get it all clean, get it all spotless, so I don't need to bother with regen or whatever. Just cancel code, once put it on, cancel code, and it should be right then. So fingers crossed anyway. I was getting a bit bored of holding the trigger, so I've just tied it open and I'll move it about. I've stuck it right in, right there, so it'll get a good wash in. I'll turn it around then and do it the other way. No wonder really they say you gain a lot of power if you bypass all these emissions in. Look how weak it's coming out that end. There's a big restriction of it really. I'll move it around a bit now, it's gone quite clean now. But must be quite a restriction anyway in it.